Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Today we are going to see class 2 subject EVS. The topic name is Plants Our Friends. The last session in this lesson we saw the different types of the plants. Is it or not? Plants are, we saw that big plants and small plants. Small plants are again divided into 4 groups. One is the herb, shrub, climbers, creepers, like that we saw in the last session. Today we have to see uses of plants. Today we have to see uses of plants. See, plants are using in many ways to us. You know that? No. See, plants gives us many things. We get many things from the plants. See, for example, we get the food from the plants. Then different part of the plants we are having as a food. Is it or not? Vegetable, fruits, nuts, cereals, pulses, like that we can say many things. So many things we get from the plants, from the food. Okay. Then next one is the fiber. We get the fiber from the plants. Next one, wood. We know that now we are using the table, bench, chair, like that many things we are using as a wood materials. No, this wood materials comes from the plants. For example, we can say the big plant is there. No, the tree we are saying no. This tree having the very strong and woody stem. No, this woody stem is used to make a wood materials. And then we get from the paper, rubber and gum. These materials also we get from the plants. Then we get oil from the plants. Many plant sheets are used to make oils. We can say the coconut oil, groundnut oil, like that many oils we get from the plant. And then apart from this we can use the plant as a medicine. For example, tulasi and then a neem, like this plants leaf and many pots used to cure many diseases. So we are using the plants as a medicine. Then we get the coffee, tea and sugar. We are having the hot drinks, coffee, tea, like these things is no. These things is also we get from this beverage also come from the plants. And then perfumes and colors. We know that flowers having the colorful petals of flowers. No, these flowers are using, we get many colors from these flowers. Apart from this, they are flowers having the very sweet and pleasant smell. No, for this purpose they are using this flowers for a perfume, isn't it? So this is the uses of plants. We have to see one by one in this topic. First one, I told we are having the food, we get many food from the plants. No, see, we eat the different parts of the plants, different part of the plant. We know that what are the different parts? If a plant means it has the root part and then stem, leaf, flowers and then sheets, vegetables, like this many parts is there. No, each if your food, we know that it is preparing food, the food is stored in the where it's stored, the body parts where it's stored, that things is we are having as a food. For example, root. Some plants store their nutrients in their root. We are having this root as a vegetables. For example, carrot, turnip and then a radish, beetroot, like these vegetables actually they are not a vegetable, actually the root part of the plant. Okay. Then some stem parts of the plant also using as a vegetable. What does that means? Potato, ginger. Potato and ginger is actually a stem part of the plant. We are using the stem part as a vegetable. Then we can say that flower pots. We are having some flowers as a food. For example, broccoli and then cauliflower. We are having this no. Then next one, fruits. We know that many fruits we are having. For example, grape, apple, orange, banana, like this many fruits we are eating. No. Then pulses and sheets. Some plant sheets are used as what is the pulses, cereals, actually these are all the sheet part of the plant. We can say bean sheet and then grams, many things as we are getting, no, these are all the sheet part of the plant. Then we can say the leaf part. See, some leaf part we are having as a food, for example spinach and then radish leaf and the coriander, mint, these are all the example for the leaf part of the plant. So, different part of the plant we are having as a food. Next one, we get the fiber from the plant. We get the fiber from the plant. See, fiber, okay. See, we use this fiber to make cloth, sock, robes and mats. See here, we get the fiber from plants. Where do we get the fiber? For example, we can say the cotton plant. This is the cotton plant. This cotton plant having some birds like things is there, no? Actually, we can get this from this birds. If the birds will burst means we can get like this fluffy cotton. See, this is the cotton plants. This cotton plant having this birds. This bird, from the birds we can get like this cottons. In this cotton we can make like a thread. We can make like a thread. This thread is after weaving, this thread is made like this cloth. So, we are using the many cotton cloths, no, cotton sarees, cotton dresses, shirts, like this things is no. Actually, this cotton cloth we get from the cotton thread from the cotton plant. Clear? So, this is the one example from the fiber. Next, we can say jute. We can say jute. Jute is one of the plant. Actually, the stem part of the plant, this is the jute plant. The stem part of the plant, what they do means, the stems are collected and make a bundle. These bundles are soaked in the water 2 or 3 days. Okay. After that, what will happen means, the stems are soaking in water, no, the tissues will be damaged by the fermentation process. Some fungus will grow on there, they make a fermentation. After that, we can get the pure thread like this. This like a jute thread we can get from the jute plant. This is the jute plant. Actually, we can see here, no, the stem part inside this like thread is there. After that, they get. This jute thread is used to make many things. For example, the socks. In your house, rice and pulses, if it is a large quantity means they will pack like this socks, no, this like a sock bags and then jute thread. Okay, this is from the packing materials they are using like this thread. And then mat, jute mat as well as the jute bags, many things as we can get from this jute. Okay, so plants gives us the fibers. This fibers we can use many things as like a cotton cloths, and then jute plant is used to make a jute bag, socks like this. Next one, plants are using, see, plants gives us wood. We know that I told that if a big plant is there, the big plant means tree. The tree part is called, the stem part of the tree is called the trunk, no. This trunk part, actually it has the woody and strong trunk it has, no. So, this trunk part we can get the wood. This wood is used to make many things. For example, pencils. Actually, inside it is the one metal is there and the outside of the pencil is there, no, it is the wooden part. Then next one, this like chairs and benches, stools, many things as we are using, no, these are all made from the wood. And then doors and windows, in our house we are using the doors and windows, these also made from the wood. Apart from this, some people using the stem part of some plants as a firewood. They are using firewood. Why means they are using this firewoods to cook their food. Why they are using? These firewoods are used for cooking food. Okay, this is the uses of wood from plants. Then next one, we get the paper gums from the plants. We get the papers. See, we are using the notebooks, books, many things as we are using for writing. No, this notebooks and books we get from the plant. Actually, the bamboo plant is there. No, this bamboo plant, the stem part of the bamboo plant and then eucalyptus plant, this like plants are used to make a paper. For example, we can say they collected the stem part of the bamboo, they soaked into water, they make a bulb from the bamboo plant. Okay, this bulb, the paper bulb is used to make a like this papers. Okay, then apart from this, we can say the rubber. We are using the rubbers, no, rubbers means the eraser, you are using the eraser for pencil, no, that is the rubber. Apart from this, we can say many example. What is this? The gloves, balloons, and then pipes, water pipes is there, no, that one, and then vehicle tires, like this many rubber things as we are using, no. These rubber things we get from the rubber plant. You can see that, no, it is actually the stem part of the rubber plant. Okay, see what they did, see they making a small scratch on the rubber, the stem part of the rubber plant. If the making the scratch means if your any wound will happen in your skin, means what will happen? Blood will come from there, no, as well as some plants also having some liquid, some juices will be there in some plants. If they make some cut on the tree plant, means it gives some liquids. Actually they collected this liquids in a bowl like that. In the overnight they make like this the structure, then after that morning they collected some liquids from there. Actually it is called looking like a white color milk. After that they converted into a solid material. This rubber juice is used to make like this materials. What are they? We are using many rubber things, no, balloons and then hand gloves, wires, vehicle tires, like this many rubber things we get from the rubber tree. Okay, actually rubber is made from the juice of the rubber tree. We can see here, no, some like white color things, it is the juice of the rubber tree. Okay, apart from this we can use the gum, no, you are using the gum, no, to stick the things as pictures like that. This gums also we get from the plant. How we can say? See, actually it is one of the plant. The name of the plant is called creeper. Okay, this creeper plant, how the rubber plant secreting the liquid juice, as well as this plant also secreting some liquid materials, it is actually called the resin. Okay, this we can see, no, in the drumstick plant also we can see like this material, no, it is called the resin. This resin is you collect actually the waste product from the plant. It is collected to make like this gums. Clear? Then plants gives us oil. Plants gives us oil. We are using many oils, no. What are the oils we are using? Many oils. These oils we get from the seed and then nuts part of the plant. This oil comes from seed or nuts part of. For example, we can say the coconut, groundnut, sunflower, sesame, mustard, like this many seeds they are using to make a oil. Okay, this oil we are using for cooking in some other purpose. Now, in the cooking we are using the groundnut oil, sesame, sunflower oil, like that. No, apart from this, these oils are used our soaps and shampoos. We are using the soaps and shampoos. No, the soap and shampoos are made from this oil. So, plants uses oil. This oil is used for cooking as well as making the soaps and shampoos. Then I told plants are used as a medicine. No, this medicines we can, for example, we can say that quinine and penicillin. Penicillin we know that actually penicillin is used here diabetes patient for the vaccine, like that. Okay, they are using this penicillin. This penicillin get from the algae. Apart from this, we can say the tulasi and then neem, this plants is there, no, tulasi and neem plants. The leaf of these plants are using cure the cold and cough like this diseases. Many diseases we can use many plants to cure. Okay, for example, we can say amla. Amla means we know that no, this is the fruit. It has the rich content of vitamin C. It is used to do many purpose. Okay, then haldi. What is haldi? Haldi is we are using no the yellow color powder in your house. You are using no. This is the haldi. It is used to cure the skin disease like that. Okay. Apart from this, aloe vera, we are seeing this aloe vera, no, this aloe vera also using to cure the dandruff and then skin disease like this diseases. So, plants are using as a medicine. Then we can say, we can get the beverages, no, what are the beverages? Coffee, tea and these like things as we are drinking at morning, no, actually coffee is a plant, okay. You can see here, no, coffee is a plant. The seed of the coffee plant, the coffee plant bearing the seed, the seeds are collected and dried. After that they are making a powder. This coffee powder only used to make a coffee at your home. Okay. Then tea. Tea is actually a leaf part of the plant. These leaves are collected and this leaf also making a powder. This powder, when the tea dust only we are using to prepare the tea at our home. No. Then we get the sugars. Apart from this, we get the sugar. We know that sugar cane, the stem part of the sugar cane, it has the sweet taste, juices is there. No. This juice is used to make a sugar. The sugar is used in many things, sweets and then chocolates, biscuits, cake, ice cream, like this many materials prepared to use this like sugars. Okay. Then plants help users to make a perfumes. See, plants use perfumes and colors. See, many plants having the colorful flowers, is it or not? They having a colorful flowers, no. So these colors are used to make a colors. We are using the colorful things, no. These all the colors get from the plant part. For example, henna, mehendi you are using, no. The leaf and the sheet part of the henna also used to make a colors. And then the flowers having, I told, no, it has the sweet smell. Okay, for this purpose, these flowers petals are used to make a perfumes. We are using the perfumes, no. These perfumes get its smell from the flowers. Okay, and then I told the henna. This henna also used to make a colors. Then plants are our friends. Plants are our friends. See, plants clean the air. Plants are clean the air. I told that the bamboo tree, actually the bamboo tree is used, it is called the air purifier. We are using the water purifier, no, as well as plants are used to air purifier. How it is? It keeps the air fresh. I already told they are making photosynthesis process. During this process, they are getting the waste carbon dioxide and then leave that pure oxygen. This oxygen is used to respiration process for the animals and then human beings. So plants clean the air and keeps it fresh. And then trees and plants make our world beautiful. If you are looking the green and colorful flowers means it is looking make a colorful things is no. So the world makes colorful means the plants. And then we can collect fallen flowers. The fallen flowers and leaves are used to make like this flower wash. If you are seeing the flowers, it is making a very beautiful, no. So like this flowers we can get collected from the fallen flowers and leaves from the tree. So this is the things we are getting the help from the plants. Okay. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and we'll receive our latest updates. Thank you.